It was first founded in Wuhan, China, during the Chinese New Year. The COVID-19 has turned the city of 11 million into the front line of a wide war between human and the nature. Although it was Chinese New Year, when streets are used to be crowded with people and vehicles, it's now empty and cold. Those who are traveling to work are covered with warm clothes and well protected by face masks. The face mask has suddenly become a badly in need of goods, and the whole world is falling over each other in their eagerness to buy. At the hospital, the situation is even worse. Doctors and nurses have to wear a heavy protection for hours, and they have to share the very limited amount of protection suits and face masks. In order to protect them from the virus, doctors have to wear it airtight, leaving bloody marks on their faces. It is a symbol of a true warrior and a medal of honor for battling against the virus. As a group of Chinese students majoring in mechanical engineering at UCLA, we would like to make our contribution utilizing the knowledge we've learned at school, using 3D printing machine to form a face mask holder for doctors and nurses to wear inside of their mask, making the wearing experience more comfortable. Therefore, we took some surveys and interviews among professionals, friends, and families to find what are people's needs in face masks to make it more comfortable to wear. We interviewed the researcher at the virus testing lab in the number 2 People's Hospital in Shizuishan, who changes face mask for every 4 hours and is constantly touching COVID-19 samples. We asked about his opinion on the face mask holder.
我看了一下这个设计图，用处也一般。
I think it's pointless. I would rather leave blood marks on the face in order to protect me from the virus. I think the current medical mask like N95 is pretty good, but in daily life, I would like to have some kind of reusable masks that can be put in a storage box. Being comfortable, fitted, and effective isolation of the virus would be my main concern. We also interviewed the nurse head at number 5 People's Hospital in Shizuishan, who is wearing mask all day, but rarely contact with COVID-19 patients. Here is her opinion on face masks.
这是一个很好的主意。戴口罩确实不舒服。
That is a good idea.
那么
I
经
do
常
feel
会
very
鼻子堵
uncomfortable
满，
wearing
大
the
小
mask
和
all
声
day.
漏气，
The mask doesn't fit the jawline very
不
well,
牙也不
where
利
air leak might
通
happen.
风好，使
And
我
also, the nose can be nicely sealed by the
戴
metal
口罩
strap
大小呢不是
and
很
often
大
create fog on the
很期待
glasses.
这个 3D 的
In
看一下
addition, the
能
mask
够
is
实现
often
更
either
顺
too
利地
big
保
or
证
too
它
small,
密封性。
making it uncomfortable to wear. With all this in mind, I would like to introduce our final product, the Transformask. Hi everyone. We would like to introduce our face mask holder product, Tansformask. Our slogan is Hold Your Breath. Our team members are Li Jin, Yubing Liu, Ruoda Zheng, and Feng Xu. We will talk about our industry survey, design and improvement, result analysis, and future work. First, we conducted interviews among professionals and collected the feedback from our survey. Our mission is because of the effect of COVID-19, mask has become one daily supply. In order to make it more suitable for wearing, many types of mask supporters has been sold in the market. However, most of these designs do not consider the requirements after taking off the mask. The supporting structure requires huge space for storing, and if it is placed inside pocket, it will form a hump. Tansformask can greatly reduce the required space for storing under folding mode. It can also provide great protection to the face containing surface because this side will be folded into the inner side. In 2020 alone, more than 52 billion masks were produced from the world. To make the face mask more comfortable to wear and easier to use, we designed a 3D printed face mask holder to support the mask on the face. We conducted survey on 15 people who are friends, families, and medical professionals, and asked about their opinions on wearing a face mask holder to make the wearing experience more comfortable. Most people agree that wearing mask all day is very uncomfortable and does not enjoy it. And more than half, around 53% of the people would like to try this novel way of wearing mask, which is a good starting point. We also collected the main concern that people have for face mask holder to guide us on the direction of our design, so it would meet people's need better. The most common word people use is skin friendly, which is their main concern. In addition, eyeglasses fog and lip stain comes up as their main concern as well.
Due to the high demand of masks, we start our design of the prototype and then do some improvement. This is our first generation of prototype idea. It's a ball hinge with 4 components. However, due to the limited resolution and printing ability, we are not able to build this device. So we tend to build another device that is easier to build and to model. This is our final device. This device is consisted of 2 components, and there is an axle between them. And here is a short demonstration video. After we assemble this mask, the mask holder can be folded, and there are 2 yellow components which standing for 2 foam pads, which can make the nose more comfortable. Here are 2 pictures showing our first and second printing cycle. As you can see, the surface finish and the printing quality is not very good in our first printing cycle. The mask holder hurts when it's put on the face. The ergonomics needs to be improved. As a result, in the second printing cycle, we shrink down the size to have more printing time, and we also make some improvement like rounded the edge and add the soft component. We will talk about that in the following slides. On the right side, that is the final picture of the mask holder. As for structural optimization, we made several optimizations. First, we shrink down the size to have more printing time. Then we enhance the axles to provide more robustness. And we round the edge to avoid sharp corners. And then we add a foam pad to protect the nose. As for printing optimization, we made several improvements as well. First, we flip the orientation of printing because we think the inner surface is the critical parameter. By doing that, we can have a better surface finish inside the mask holder. Also, we change the element size and shape to get better resolution. So in the second printing device, we have much better printing quality.
Here comes the fabrication result analysis part. First of all, we conducted the final element analysis for the product to analyze its properties on the wearing situation. Because of the near symmetry design, half of the product was simulated to reduce the required computing power. The result shows that the pressure applied to face is around 2,000 Pascal. For reference, people who swim under 1 meter water will experience around 10,000 Pascal pressure, and the traditional masks will give a 20,000 Pascal pressure to face. As a result, our product can provide a suitable wearing experience to people. Besides the simulation, We also conducted product demonstration and real case tests. These are general views of wearing situations for both internal supporter and outside appearance. Our mask supporter perfectly fits people's facial curves and prevent masks from touching people's face when brushing. This video shows a small demo of how our mask supporter works. The mechanism can also help to fit different face shape and maintain the largest contacting area to reduce pressure to face. There already exist several types of mask spotters in the market. Due to our market research, most of them have a solid structure and take large space when storing. This will greatly influence people's using experience, especially when they need to be stored in pockets. With our Tansformask, you can easily fold the mask spotter and store it inside your pocket when you go outside. In addition, it can contain your mask on the folded state, which greatly reduces the possibility that mask gets contaminated due to the environment. The general price for similar mask spotters is around $1 each, and can be as less as $0.5 if consumed in large amount. Based on the development of functionality of our product and the cost on the mass production status, we consider $1.5 as a suitable retail price.
So I will talk about summary, future work, and team ethics. In conclusion, to make face masks comfortable to wear and easy to carry, we designed Tansformask, which can transform and thus being multifunctional, foldable, and portable. It can be used as a face mask spotter and served as a face mask container at the same time. Our product is easy to install and comfortable to wear, and fits the face perfectly with customized dimension. It can give the face some space when wearing, and also give the mask some space when folded. It is more convenient for daily traveling and prevent the inner side from virus. It is also can make face mask wearing experience more comfortable, so more people would like to wear. To finalize our product design, we searched for commercial materials that meet our need. As for accessories, we will add foam nosepad. It will increase the comfortness for wearing our face mask holder and prevent fog from flowing out. As for the material of our final product, we will use PP plastic. Since the mask holder is constantly touching human skin, we would like to make it skin-friendly. Here is our team ethics. Li Jin first conducted the industry survey for the product and interviewed professionals on their opinion. In addition, Jin further optimized the final design and improved the aesthetics. Yubin Liu did all the FEA and dynamics analysis for our face mask design, making sure it would be able to hold the load adding to the mask holder, especially on the folding mechanism. Rhoda Zheng constructed folding mechanism and 3D model for the face mask holder in SolidWorks, and also optimized the final printing quality. Feng Xu created one of the first field prototypes of the face mask holder design. In addition, the creative Tansformask logo design was done by him. That's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.